Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing the Peugeot 389 door mirror, and in the process we'll also be removing the door trim panel or card. And without further ado, let's get into our main video demonstration. Here we have our door trim. We'll first remove the window switch. There's clips on the side, you can probably see them, so at that point when you push it in with the clip remover, that metal piece, it will pop right out for a little bit of effort, and then we will unplug the switch. And next we're going to remove the cover with a very small flat screwdriver, get in between this little trim piece, and then it should come right off. It's held on by clips, and there is a big T30 Torx screw over there, and then there's another one just underneath where your hand sits, and right at the bottom there's a small T20 Torx screw. And the next part is to get in between the door trim and the door panel, so I use a plastic tool so we don't damage the door with a metal flathead screwdriver. And then we'll pull the bottom of the door trim out first and then slide it upwards to release the door trim. It's held on by clips, and here is the clips. They can break when you're removing the door trim, and I will put a video at the end of this tutorial to show you a trick to putting these door trims back on. It's not from this specific vehicle, but it's the same idea. Next we have access to the plug for the door mirror. We will unplug the mirror, and then we will remove the door mirror inner cover, and I believe that was a T30 Torx there. And once you remove the cover, there's two screws, Torx screws, that are holding the door mirror onto the door panel. Remove both of these screws, and this is pretty much how you remove the door mirror from a Peugeot 389. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe if you found this video helpful to support the channel. If you would like to see the door trim refitting, stay tuned. Otherwise, we will see you in our upcoming videos.
Now, we will get white clips from the shell side, if there's any left on the shell when we remove the door trim, and put those white clips onto the door trim. So as you can see over here, there is a various clips. The reason why is because they slide on onto the door trim, and when putting it back on, it's easier to have them on the door trim instead of the door shell. And once you do that, here's how to perform putting on the door trim. First, you want to put the top side and slide it in downwards into the window sill, and then once that slides in, if you put the clips onto the trim side, it'll just be a push on kind of effect, and a few slaps here and there. And this is pretty much applicable to all vehicles, even though this one's from a Citroen C4 Carstar.